Hello, how are you? My name is Steve Franklin and welcome to my channel. Probably if you clicked here in this video, it is because you want to know more information about Prostacet. So if you want to know more information about it, if it really works, if it is worth buying, I seriously recommend that you watch this video until the end, because I will pass an important alert to you. Many people are losing money for this reason, and I will also reveal all the information you need to know before buying Prost. Watch until the end. If you suffer from prostate problems and can no longer stand waking up several times a night to urinate, feel a burning sensation or pain, or are urinating blood frequently, this video will help you a lot. You must have seen some advertisement about Prostacet over the internet, and he promises to end your prostate problems once and for all. And Promotional, know that it really works and will help you. All this in a healthy way and without putting your health at risk, because Prostacet is totally based on natural ingredients that do not cause side effects. Then using it correctly, you in a short time will notice the results and completely get rid of the prostate problems that so much bother you. For it has been tested in rigorous laboratories and passed all tests, and thanks to the all-natural and powerful formula, many customers are having amazing results. What is the Prostacet? Prostacet is a prostate health supplement used to nourish and relieve the inflamed or enlarged prostate and to reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Its advertising says that it is effective in improving urinary frequency, bladder emptying, and the strength of users' urine flows. Men who have residual urine volume, below average flow, urinary leakage, weak flow, difficulty emptying the bladder, and other prostate-related concerns may take Prostacet as a supplement. How does Prostacet work? Prostacet was developed to reduce the size of the prostate itself, as well as mediate the symptoms of BPH and improve the overall functionality of the bladder. They provide clinical data on the exact type of effects that Prostacet can have, and how powerful these results can be. Overall, solving prostate problems means taking care of an inflamed prostate, and the ingredients used in Pekin Nutrition, the Prostacet formula, is designed to eliminate these problems. At the same time, you will not have to worry about side effects because the supplement is 100% natural, FDA approved and GMP certified, and is considered suitable for human consumption for better health. And I also want to make it clear, for you to really get results with Prostacet, you must use every day, 2 capsules a day, 1 in the morning and 1 at night before bedtime. More make daily use without fail. If you do not take the treatment seriously, you will not get results and it will be a bit frustrating. A 1-month supply costs $49.95 with about $8 for standard shipping. The best option is a 6-month supply, that is, buy 3 bottles and get 3 free, making the price drop to $25 per bottle. Considering that you will need to take Prostacet for up to 2 months to get the best results, this may be your most prudent option. And my warning that I want to pass here to you is that take great care when buying Prostacet, because there are many scams on fake sites and selling a fake product, and because of that the manufacturer decided to make available the sale of Prostacet only on his official website. And to help you not fall into this scam, I will leave here in the description of this video the link of the official website for you to buy safely. And also, buying through the official website you get several benefits. You will get free shipping and also a super discount. And also, the Prostacet purchased from the official website of the manufacturer has a 60-day warranty. That is, if you do not have any results in this period, just request your refund on the website. Thousands of customers are seeing results with Prostacet and are completely satisfied. So if you are no longer enduring the problems caused by the prostate, Prostacet will help you to end all these problems, and you will be able to revive your self-esteem and be satisfied with the results. I hope I helped you with this video. Thank you for watching until the end. If I helped you in any way, do not forget to leave your like here in this video.